Hey guys, welcome to my channel Halloween Happy. If you are new here, my name is Sam. So in today's video, I have a Halloween decor haul for you guys, and I'm really excited to show you my recent spooky purchases. Now, I'm proud of myself. Let's go ahead and give a pat on my back. I'm proud of myself because I've not purchased a lot. All the items that I am sharing with you are like pillows, decor, all sorts of little just like spooky odds and ends. The sound, I'm still trying to figure it out. It's such a problem. I was editing one of my other videos and it just sounds so muffled. I have like bad ears, and so I don't know if it's just my ears or like my sensitive hearing. I don't know, but my voice just sounds so muffled and I cringe every time I was like editing that video. So we're gonna try to hold my little mic in my hand and see how that goes for this video. Fingers crossed. So I know I have a lot of pillows. I know. When I see a good jack-o'-lantern pillow, I cannot resist. And I already have a few variations of this pillow. I might actually have this one. This is from Martha Stewart, her Halloween line. Look at how cute this jack-o'-lantern pillow is. It is just so happy, so cutesy, so soft. It's soft. The girl who was checking me out, she was just talking about how soft it was. I did find these cute bat pillows, and her and I were talking about, I think she thought they were shrimp or croissants. I can't remember, but they kind of do look like shrimp and they do look like little croissants. These fuzzy bat pillows, I like Abra's gonna want to play with these. She's gonna think that they are her toys. It's this 2-pack of these bat little fuzzy pillows. Look at how adorable they are. So cute. I kind of wished that it was just like a pair of 2 black ones. They're super slippery just because of how soft they are. Abra is literally right by me, guys. She's like, she thinks it's her toy. Those are from Cupcakes and Cashmere at Home. So the next pillow that I found, you guys are gonna think this one is so cute. This one comes from Cynthia Rowley. This one was from Marshalls. Sorry if these are gonna be out of order, but look at how cute this pillow is. Oh my gosh. Joe and I actually saw this and we both were like, oh, that's really cute. This haunted house, it has these little ghost, little jack-o'-lanterns around the door, little bat decor on the front door. When you shop for Halloween, definitely make sure that you can use it for other seasons just to stretch your budget, just to like make it worth your pennies. So squishy. I just love it so much. Now, the next pillow I found was this one, and it says Dead Inside. I don't know if you guys are familiar, but I do have an Etsy shop where I sell like my sticker designs, notebooks, stationery, all sorts of stuff. Stay tuned because I'm trying to work on planner stickers right now, and right now is just such a busy time, so bear with me. And I do have a couple of markets that I'm going to be vending at here in Salem. So if you're visiting, maybe come to the markets that I'm at and say hi. This one reminds me of my Dead Inside sticker that I have. Kind of like a little cake. Abra's playing with her little stuffed ghosty with a broom right now. Little sprinkles on it. And then on the side, I love this fabric. It's kind of like a tweed. So spooky. It's so cute. Speaking of, when you buy things for Halloween, you want to make sure that you can use it seasonally. Now, maybe you don't. Maybe you're just the type of ghoul where you only have Halloween decor out at Halloween time, and that is totally normal. That doesn't make you a less spooky person. That doesn't mean that you love Halloween any less. So don't don't ever feel pressured, okay? Like, it's not that serious. But with me, just because I only do buy Halloween pretty much around this time, and it's like my only thing I kind of that I get crazy with or whatever. I found a set of these 4 appetizer plates that I thought were so cute. I can definitely reuse them for Halloween, of course. They're these little jack-o'-lantern plates. I'll undo them so you can see like the full design. Oh my gosh, they're actually what the heck? Whoa, what a surprise. Wow. So I was thinking it was this design for all 4 of them, but there's actually 4 different designs, which makes my heart so happy. All of the things I could use these for. Oh my God, don't even get me started. Obviously, appetizers, right? Put your keys on there. You can put your little knickknack, like a ring holder, jewelry holder, like, oh my gosh. And the second one is more of like a salmon color. So cute. Black and pink one. And then this one, because this is one of my Halloween Happy logo colors, like my colors are black and orange and purple, but once like winter comes, I use this color a lot. This matches like a lot of my Etsy shop products. How funny. This will be really cute for taking like product photos. But anyway, so adorable. What a nice surprise. So this next item is called Spooky Sips, set of 18 party straws. Now, I love a good spooky straw. I love a good little, just a little spooky cup. You know, I have so many straws and they just honestly add just like some spooky cheer to your day. Drinking some water, drink out of a spooky straw. It will instantly make you happy. I'm not even kidding. 18 straws in here. How crazy is that? Like, what is still? How much was this? $8. There's purple, orange, black, and they all have different little spooky little charms on them. Let me open these up so we can see. 3 different designs. This purple bow, which is really cute. This ghost straw. This one is perfect for autumn. This little pumpkin. These are all the designs, but there's 18 of them. My mouse just hanging out, creeping out. Also, like, here's a few of my little things from my shop. I have these cute little notebooks. I have a few different designs in the shop. My dead inside sticker, my little Salem sticker. The next thing that I found were these pumpkin patch pins. You get a set of 3 pins. Look at how adorable these are. Oh my goodness. I have a few little jack-o'-lantern pins like these. They're just like only the jack-o'-lanterns, and these pins write so nice. They're like my favorite type. It's more like a wet ink. And it's like super black. I love it so much. I think I snagged 2 boxes of these. I'm also trying to collect a few items because I want to do a little Halloween happy giveaway too. Using a pumpkin pin in your life, like, does wonders. I did find another box. I bought these last year. They're probably like stashed away, but oh my goodness, cute. And also the packaging on these is A plus. I don't know if you guys are like me, but I like to keep Halloween packaging, spooky packaging, and then also if I use it, if I collect it, I like just looking back on like what the style was during a certain year or whatever, but then I also like reusing it for crafting. Like with the packaging, I would cut out like trick or treat, use it for a card, use it for spooky collaging, cut out like the little house and whatnot. Think of like what you can recycle and reuse this Halloween season. And then I probably mentioned this all the time, every time, but I am obsessed with Halloween magazines, you guys. I'm so in love with them. I'm always looking for old Halloween magazines, autumn magazines, anything that is like a holiday magazine. I want it. I need it. Give it to me. Growing up, I would collect Halloween magazines. I would cut pictures out. I would make my own little Halloween magazine, like in a little spiral notebook, and I would paste photos. I would just write like a few sentences, like acting like it was my own magazine. That's always been a dream of mine, is to have some kind of like magazine or like a craft how to, like a holiday guidebook or something of some sort. I just have like a very soft, dear sweet spot for Halloween magazines. Looking through a magazine, a spooky magazine, a Halloween magazine, just makes your heart so happy. It definitely, like, that's another mood booster. And I don't know if you guys are aware, but if you follow one of my ghoul friends, Miranda with Spooky Little Halloween, she actually started her magazine a few years ago, which is so amazing and it's so inspiring and it's so good. Definitely check her out and grab a magazine if you haven't. They're so good, so spooky, so cute, just everything you need for your Halloween season. So be sure to go check her out. So I found the Martha Stewart Halloween magazine for this year. All right, I see what you did, Martha. I see what you did. And I was wondering, even when I saw this, I was like, this looks so familiar. You know, when you have a lot of things and you kind of like forget what you have, so then you get like multiple of the things because you don't realize you have the thing already. Martha Stewart, her Halloween magazine is always a must. Now, since she like sold her company, she's not like, there's still Halloween things from Martha Stewart, but I just don't know if she has her hands on it as much as she used to. Like, she was just such a Halloween queen. She really inspired me. She was like one of the first people that I was like, oh my God, like, you love Halloween too? Like, that's amazing. I loved growing up on Martha. Anytime her shows would come out, I was so excited when she started her show, especially like come September and October. She would always like just show you how to do all the Halloween things. But anyways, my point is, so back by popular demand, I mean, I'm sure of course there's the popular demand for it, but we want a new magazine, Martha. Like, come on. So it's a second printing of Martha Stewart Halloween 2024. I see what you did here. Okay. I mean, we are in the time of reusing, repurposing content. I don't know how this makes me feel, honestly. I mean, because it's a magazine, because it's Martha Stewart. All right, that's fine. Anytime I see a recipe for meringue, anything, I just think of Martha. Also, I'm just seeing it says there's an ad for the Bedford by Martha Stewart. Make your reservation at the Bedford. Experience refined dining at the Bedford by Martha Stewart in Las Vegas and be among the first to enjoy the new location opening this fall at Foxwoods Resort Casino in Connecticut. Martha, you need to have a Halloween room, okay? You need to. I found another magazine, and this one is The History of Halloween. This is the Hallowed History, Frightening Folklore of this ancient festival. This is from the makers of All About History. I'm assuming that that's a magazine because I don't know. I'm excited to brew a cup of pumpkin spice coffee. I got some pumpkin spice K cups and I'm so excited just to brew a cup of nice warm coffee, sit on my couch, play some Halloween music, and look through these magazines and just feel like a kid again. All right, guys, one more item. I feel like I've been rambling on this video and I'm trying to look around to make sure there's no other Halloween things that are specific to this video that I can throw in because I have some other videos coming up, but I'm trying to like keep it organized. Another thing that instantly improves your mood, and I know you can relate to this, right, is new bed sheets. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Growing up, anytime that my mom was able to save and get me new sheets, oh, I loved it so much. Like, I literally would have the best sleep in the new sheets, like the first night of using new sheets. Do you know what I mean? Like, they're just so, like, crisp, so, like, so rough, so rigid. I am a sucker for Halloween spooky sheets. I just love them so much. I love switching them out depending on the season, of course, depending on my mood, my feeling, and what kind of comforter I have going on. Currently, the sheets are white, but they have like little ghost on them. And with Abra, like she doesn't shed as much as Raven and Denali did, but she still sheds. Like her fur's very like light as in weight, not color. This is a 4-piece sheet set and it has these little skeletons. You get little jack-o'-lanterns and little mummies. Look at how adorable these are. And I'm like, oh, the black is perfect because then you won't see so much of the dog hair on them. And I've been having my eye, I don't know if you guys have noticed, like on Patreon and on like my Insta stories in a video coming up because I have like an Etsy video that I want to do, but I am so obsessed with gingham right now. And I'm so sad because I feel like people kind of look at it as like a summer trend or whatever, but I am obsessed with the pattern gingham. There's this black and white comforter set that I want to get that would go so cute with these sheets, and I'm like trying to like save just a little bit so I can get this comforter, jazz up the bedroom, just make it like just more cozy and whatnot. I thought these would look so cute with the comforter set. So we're getting there. Maybe I'll get them, maybe I won't. I don't know. That's gonna end this Halloween haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you want to follow along, you can check out my Instagram. It's at Halloween Happy. Currently, right now, we are doing my 100 Days of Halloween Happy. It's where there's a prompt of the day and then we post how it pertains to us. And it's a yearly tradition. And so I appreciate all of you guys who have been playing and posting along with me. And if you don't post every day, do not get down on yourself because I haven't this year. I'm really trying to go with the flow this spooky season. I really am. For the sake of my mental health, I don't need to keep up with the rat race, Not that my challenge is a rat race. Like, that's not a rat race. You guys, you know the rat race. The rat race. Me looking like a rat, but that's fine. Just hop in, hop out whenever you want. It's just a sweet little fun little gentle way to kind of enjoy spooky season without like, You don't gotta leave your apartment. You don't gotta go spend money. You just gotta post photos of stuff that you love. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. I hope the sound is a little bit better. Thanks for hanging out with me. Let me know how your week is going, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!